The setup process for the Blink Video Doorbell and Outdoor 4 cameras is straightforward and user-friendly. Clear instructions and an intuitive app make connecting and operating the system a breeze. The HD video quality is exceptional, providing clear and detailed footage both day and night. The night vision is particularly impressive, capturing crisp images even in complete darkness. The motion detection feature is highly responsive, sending instant alerts to your smartphone whenever motion is detected. This allows real-time monitoring of activity around your home, adding a significant layer of security. A standout feature is the 2-year battery life. It's reassuring to know that the cameras and doorbell will remain powered for an extended period without frequent battery changes or recharges. The two-way audio feature is very convenient, allowing direct communication with visitors or delivery personnel through the doorbell, even when you're not at home. This enhances both convenience and security. Integration with Alexa is seamless, adding to the system's versatility. You can easily view live camera feeds on your Echo Show and use voice commands to manage the system, making home monitoring even more convenient. The sleek design of the cameras and doorbell complements any home exterior. Built to withstand various weather conditions, they ensure reliable performance year-round.